So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day, right, on our gold. So let's see what gold is actually going to be giving us for the day. But before we go ahead to predict what market will give us for the day, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel, guys, so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's start with this trend right here. This is the overall trend on our gold. Our overall trend on gold is an uptrend move. That is it. A movement to the upside. That is what the overall movement is giving us. The overall movement is pointing to the upside, meaning it is in a trending market move. Now, when you zoom it in right here, you will see what market is doing right here. Market is literally giving us a downtrend move right here. This is what the market is giving. So this downtrend move that market is giving us is a current trend. So this is the current trend. Now, let's see it this way. This is your low. The market did give, right? And this is the lower high. Market was able to drop again to give us a new lower low. It did drop to give us a new lower low. Then this is a pullback, which is a lower high, right? Markets drop, right? Then push up a bit. Markets eventually drop again a little bit to take out this previous low. Drop a little bit to take out this previous low. You can see it took out this previous low, right? The market eventually give us a pullback, which is a lower high. Now the market has given us a pullback, which is a lower high. Guess what we should be expecting? We should be expecting market to give us some more drop to form a new lower low, thereby taking out this previous low. So a new lower low is what we should be expecting on gold for the day. That means we should be expecting a sell for the day on our gold. So look to go for the sell for the day on gold. Now, could there be changes to this prediction? Absolutely yes. If there will be any changes, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the updates. Like and share also. Then the Telegram, you will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.